Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and well at your home. Today we are going to do art and craft on the occasion of Mother's Day. बेटा आपको पता है संडे को मदर्स डे है. सो आज हम आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट सीखेंगे मदर्स डे के रिलेटेड. ओके किड्स, आप अपनी मदर्स को सरप्राइज देना संडे को. ओके किड्स, so let's start. Material required: white paper, colored sheet, which color you like. Okay kids, ice cream stick, marker, scale, pencil, thermocol balls, scissor and Fevicol and sharpener. Okay kids, so let's start. First of all, take green sheet and fold your paper like this. Okay kids, fold your paper like this. Now take scale and pencil and draw slanting line. Make slanting line like this. Okay kids, now make another slanting line like this. Okay kids, slanting line like this. Now slipping line like this. Okay kids, now draw one slipping line here like this. Okay kids, okay. Now cut with scissor like this. Okay kids, now take Fevicol and apply Fevicol in this area only. Okay kids, we join this flower pot with the help of Fevicol like this. Okay kids, now paste flower pot on the drawing sheet with the help of Fevicol. Okay kids, okay. Now take marker and write here M-O-M. Mom. Okay kids, open this and write here H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. M-O-T-H-E-R. Post office S. Mother's Day. D-A-Y. Day. Happy Mother's Day. Okay kids, now take ice cream stick. Okay kids, and apply Fevicol. Paste ice cream stick here like this. Okay, now cut half ice cream stick with the help of scissor like this, and apply Fevicol, paste here, apply Fevicol and paste here like this. Okay kids, now take pencil and sharpener and make flower with pencil shaving. Okay kids, make flower with the help of pencil and sharpener. Okay kids, flower, paste with the help of Fevicol, apply Fevicol here and paste flower. Paste flower with the help of Fevicol here also. Okay kids, and one flower here. Okay, now take thermocol balls and paste in the center of flower. Okay kids, apply Fevicol and paste in the center of flower. Like this. Okay kids, I hope you learn this craft very well and do this craft on the occasion of Mother's Day and send us photographs on WhatsApp. Okay kids, bye bye, take care.